Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy freehand nail design. So I'm using a sheer pink polish by Pure Ice called Satin Ribbon, pink by Salon Perfect called Good Vibes Only, I love that name, and a peachish polish by Creative Play called Life's a Cupcake. So I already painted my nails with the sheer pink polish, and then I'm going to apply that lighter polish onto my nails in an angle. This is a much easier nail design. You can use any color combo you want, but I thought these colors together was just so cute and girly, and I just loved the whole look of it. Now I allowed some time to, pass so that that first coat dried, and then I'm going to apply on top of that lighter polish, the pink. Now, like I said, let the time pass, because if not, you'll ruin the design. You want to be able to, do the designs, one at a time. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. This is a really easy design. I told you it is. I hope I made it easy for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.